Hello everyone, myself HRITIK YADAV. In this video, I'm going to teach you one of the geometry question, or you can say that similarity question. Just by looking, you can know that this is a similarity question because this and these are vertically opposite angle. This and these are same, and this angle A and this angle A, which means angle W and angle Y must be the same angle. Okay, so what I have written here is spoiler. Why I have written? Because this is a spoiler question. Okay, it is in the blue book test. So if you haven't done yet, then please do not stop here and do not watch this video. After doing, only do watch this video. Thank you. So yeah, let's go. What it is saying in the figure shown, WZ and XY intersect at point Q. Yeah, it is intersecting at point Q. YQ equals to 63, YQ equals to 63, and WQ equals to 70, WQ 70. Similarly, WX equals to 60, WX equals to 60, XQ equals to 120, XQ equals to 120. So what you'll do here is you'll break down the figure of these two so that you will not be confused. Okay, so what we'll do here is one triangle will be, okay, let me drop this. One triangle will be here, which is W, X and Q. This will be 60, 70 and this will be 120. And again here what we'll do here is we'll make again one triangle. Okay, so what I want to say is don't write here Q. Why? Because as you can see, this X and Q are not the same. Okay, these X and Q are not the same. Instead X and Z are the same. Okay, so we'll write here Z, and here we'll write Q, and here will be Y. And what is the value of length YQ is 63. Okay, and we need to find the value of YZ. So let it be here X assumption. Okay, now what we'll do, similarly we'll use similarity formula here. Just write it down, X upon 60, 63 upon 70. Okay, this is equals to this and this must be equals to this. Okay, so therefore X equals to 63 into 60 upon 70. Therefore X must be 63 into 60 upon 70, which is 54. So our answer here will be 54. So YZ is 54. So finish this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you have doubt, please comment down below. Thank you.